Dr. Barrett,
Yeah.
how can you minimize scarring after plastic surgery?
That is the question, you guys. It happens before the after surgery time period. Okay, so it starts with meticulous handling of tissues, really good surgeon using a sharp scalpel, staying away from cautery, right? So a lot of these surgical things that a good surgeon will do. And then it comes to lowering your inflammation overall, lowering your inflammation in your body with like fish oil and just, low stress, stuff like that, low caffeine, in my opinion, will help improve the appearance of the scarring. And then putting some kind of silicone compression and silicone gel on the scars have been shown repeatedly to improve the appearance of scars. It works by contact inhibition is what we think. So the cells, the fibroblasts think that there's another cell next to it, which is the silicone tricking it. And so it's like, oh, I'm done. I'm like next to my buddy. We can close up shop. It stops producing that collagen. So number one thing is lower your stress, inflammation in your body. Number two is like silicone treatment routinely for like 6 months and massage, scar massage number three, and that will help kind of minimize your scar appearance.